Hi everyone, this is Anna Hajizadeh. In previous videos, I talked about IELTS task types. In this video, I want to talk about the fourth type of IELTS writing task 2, double question essays. The first type of IELTS writing task 2 is called double question essays, which include 2 questions. The safest approach is to simply devote one body paragraph for each question. While answering these questions, do not forget to extract 3 factors from the task. Number 1, main idea and probably controlling idea words. Number 2, intended response for the first question. Number 3, intended response for the second question. With an in-depth analysis of several double question essays, we divided them in 4 categories: cause and effect, cause and solution, problem and solution, direct questions. The first type of double question essay is called cause and effect. The statement section includes one main idea, one fact, one situation, or any other information. Then the first question asks the candidates to talk about the cause of the situation and then explain possible consequences. To get a higher score, it's really important to correctly identify the cause and effect relationship. For example,
today more people are overweight than ever before. What, in your opinion, are the primary causes of this? What are the main effects of this epidemic? As it was mentioned before, to answer these questions, it is necessary to extract 3 factors.
In this example, the fact given in the statement is that people are getting overweight. The first question asks the candidates to talk about cause. It means candidates should talk about the reason why people are getting overweight. The second question asks about the effects. It means the candidates should talk about the possible consequences of this phenomenon. The second type of double question essay is called cause and solution. In the statement, there is one main idea, which is usually a problem or has caused the problem. Then the question task asks the candidate to first talk about the causes of that problem and then suggest some possible solution. It's really important to identify the cause and effect relationship. But instead of talking about the effect of that problem, you have to suggest some possible and logical solutions to deal with that problem. Let's see one example.
In many countries, schools have severe problems with student behavior. What do you think are the causes of this? What solutions can you suggest? In this task, the main idea is the students' inappropriate behavior in the schools. The first question asks why students behave inappropriately. Candidates should address the factors that have led to students' unpleasant manner. The second question asks to suggest solutions that solve behavior-related problems. Therefore, the candidates should write about some suggestions to solve students' inappropriate behavior.
The third category of double question essay is called problem and solution. The statement section includes one main idea, which there are some problems regarding that main idea or it has caused some problems. So in the first question, candidates should talk about that problem. And in the second question, they have to talk about the possible solution to deal with that problem. You can devote one body paragraph to talk about the problems and one body paragraph to talk about the possible solution. Let's see one example.
The internet has transformed the way information is shared and consumed, but it has also created a problem that did not exist before. What are the most serious problems associated with the internet? And what solutions can you suggest? In this task, the main idea given the statement points out that sharing and consuming information has changed because of internet. The first question asks the candidates to write about the possible problems arising from the internet way of sharing and using information. The second question asks to write about the possible solutions to overcome those problems discussed in the previous paragraph.
The last category of double question essay is called
direct questions.
The statement includes one main idea and the other two questions include any question. Well, there are basically no relationship between these two questions. So it is suggested to devote one body paragraph and talk about all of these questions. Let's see one example.
Happiness is considered very important in life. Why is it difficult to define? What factors are important in achieving happiness? As you can see, in this last example, the main idea is about the importance of happiness in life. The first question asks why happiness is difficult to define, and the second question asks about the possible approaches to gain happiness. As you can see, there is not any direct relationship between the two questions, and the candidates should answer each question in a separate paragraph.
Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.
IELTS writing questions can be divided into 5 categories: discussion essay, opinion essay, advantages and disadvantages essay, double question essay, mixed design essay. The first category of IELTS task types is double question essays. The double question essay itself is divided into 4 categories: cause and effect, problem and solution, cause and solution, direct questions.